global declaration of structure example program. So hash include sudo.h is a standard input output header file. So same like that. Next is that conIO. So console input output dot header file. Then next uh, structure keyword, that is structure name, and followed the structure name we are given as a stud. So it should be outside of a main function. Then it will be called as a global. So if it is inside the main function or any user defined function, so it will be called as a local declaration of structure. So definitely, so global means definitely outside of the function. See that now main function is here. So before of that we declare that structured keyword, struct keyword, and followed with the structure name. There should be a space between this keyword and followed with the name of the structure. Okay. Then open curly braces or flower braces, we can say that. So till now we used to say that integer I variable, character ch variable, float data type f1 variable, like that. Now inside the structure, so we can say all that data type and variable as structure members. Okay. So character as a ch variable and followed with that 10 as a size. 10 characters we can give. So I variable and f1 variable, and then the memory also will be continuously in one space for all the variables. It will be um, allocated. Say for example integer I 2, then this one is 10, 12, and then this one is 4. Okay, 4, 6, 10, 16 will be allocated, and with a semicolon we should give. Here itself we can create the object like obj or like s1, like that. Any valid name we can give that. So object can be created. Um, More than one also we can have, and semicolon. But more than one means we have to give like this. So obj1 comma obj2, like that. More than one object can be created for a single structure. So one, you can do it in this way, or otherwise what we can do is, so after the main function then we can have, and this is a C++ application, so that warning will be given for that. So return type is given as a void here. Otherwise only C programming software means only main, with that it is enough. Okay. So inside that main function it should be a first one. So structure keyword and followed with the structure name should be the same name. We can have more than one structure also in a program. According to the program needs we can do with. So same name. See that? So here we are given the same name is given here also, then followed with a one space, and then object name we have given. Okay, so here also we can give object one, like that. More than one object can be created for that particular structure. Okay, then clr is here, and this program objective is getting the input for I variable, ch variable, and float value, and printing it. That is the objective of this program. Okay, so just I typed it because faster we can go with. So printf enter I value, then colon slash n is one new line. So what happens? Displays a message on the screen to the end user. Okay, and scan of percentage %d, because integer, so that percentage %d control string or format string we can say that, and comma, after that object dot uh, variable, because structure concept, through the object only we can able to assign any values to that variable, or we can access. So this one is comes under accessing of a variable, because so ampersand object dot then I variable. So what we can do is we can get the input, and see that in fully I have given with a double slash single line command to get the input for I variable, to get the input for ch variable, to get the input for f1 float variable, like that. So when you are going to type the program on the system, so this line is not required. Just for understanding purpose, just I have given uh, meaning, I typed it. Okay, So next, printf enter a character value, any information so you can give inside this particular double quotes. As it is, it will print. I have given us enter character value. Then next, scan of percentage yes. So this one is, now if I'm going to use with a single character only, then it will be a percentage C, single character. Then in that case is that ampersand should be needed. Okay, now I'm going to get a collection of characters. Ampersand is not required as well as, so it will be a percentage yes. Okay, then next is that, so printf enter float value to display the message on the screen. Then scan of percentage f ampersand object dot f1, so that we can get the input for floating variable. Then now after getting the input, we have to print the values on the screen. So printf function is used. So any value you can give inside that. So I have given I value, percentage D compulsory you have to give. Then only it will display the number value or single character or collection of characters value on the screen. If you are not giving the percentage D, definitely value will not be shown to us. Okay, then uh, object dot I variable. The next variable, there is a structure member. So printf character value, any information you can give here. I have given it as character value. Then percentage yes to print that particular word, object dot ch variable. Then next, float value. Then percentage dot 2f. What this dot 2f means? Um, So when we are going to give 30 as an input, automatically in the output it will come 30.6 digits. I'll show you with that. So now I am just deleting it. Only I am giving a percentage f, then object dot f1, then get ch. After showing the output, it will wait for a keystroke, then it will come to the blue screen. Okay, that is editor. Then closing of a main function. So save that file once, then only whatever the changes made to the program will be updated. Then some system it will be directly alt F9 for compilation, control F9. So some laptops are using, so alt then function F9, then control F9. Now getting an input. So I'm going to give here as a 45 for I variable, and then hello as a character input, maximum 10 size, but 5 only I have given input. Then here it is, I'm going to give 40 as an input. See that only 40 given, but output is that 40.6 digits it came. Okay, so just I'm coming here inside this. So we'll go to that. If needed only one digit or two digit like that. So in this particular place, dot one digit will come. So two digits, three digits like that. We'll call that as a field width. Okay, so we'll call that as a field width. Okay, so now I saved. One second, we'll compile and run the program. So 20 as the input, then test as some value, then 30 as the input. So 6 digits, 30 after the dot, 6 digit is coming. So if we need one digit or two digit like that, we can change it. So we can go ahead with the filled with. So we can come here in this particular place. So we can give dot one, means one digit you will get, two or three like that. Maximum is six. So I am going to give only two here. Then save that. Then only this changes will be updated. Then one second you have to compile. Then run it. Okay, and give some value to that. So 50, then hello, then 20, like that. Like now, two digits we are getting as a output. Okay, so after pressing enter key or any key, it will come to the blue screen.